Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore AT&T account access with secure login verification. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To restore your AT&T account access with secure login verification, start by visiting the AT&T login page. Enter your username and password in the designated fields. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to receive a temporary password via email or text. Once you have the temporary password, return to the login page. Enter your username and the temporary password. After logging in, you may be prompted to set a new password. Create a strong password that meets AT&T's security requirements. After successfully changing your password, you will need to verify your identity. Select the verification method, which could be through a text message or email. If you choose text message, ensure your phone number is correct. Wait for the verification code to arrive. Enter the verification code in the provided field. If you prefer email verification, check your inbox for the code. Once you receive it, input the code on the login page. After verification, you will regain access to your AT&T account. For added security, consider enabling two-factor authentication. This feature will require a verification code each time you log in from an unrecognized device. With these steps, your AT&T account access will be successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.